Hey guys, sorry for the lack of updates the past 2 days. Wonky sleep schedule, makes it hard to find time to do videos and post them at all. When the school year starts and I'm on a sleep schedule that isn't insane, I'll probably have better videos. So today we are going to do What is Binary Part 2. And Mr. Fox is here to guide you / to be stared at if you get confused and just want to look at a cute fox. So, in Part 1 we talked a little bit about what binary means. Today we're going to be showing this off a little bit more. So what you're seeing here are the values in any place in binary. So these are 8-digit values, and I'm just going to put some random numbers in here. 1, 0, 1. We talked about how each place is a power of 2. So underneath here we're just going to show this is 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 squared, cubed, 2 to the 4th, I know you guys can't see past me, 2 to the 5th, 2 to the 6th, and 2 to the 7th. Now, what this means is what place we're in. For instance, if you actually look at our number system, we actually use the same thing. To get to this digit spot, you would have 10 to the 1st, and to get here 10 to the 2nd. This is the same kind of system. So now what we're going to do is decode this number. So let's start with this end. So we have a 1 in the 2 to the 7 slot. So what this means is that we have 128. We also have a 1 in the 32 spot. Might be off camera here. So what that means is we're going to add 32. I'm sorry I'm moving around. It's hard to figure out where to go. Now, we keep going. We have a 1 in the 4 place. So we add 4. And then we add 2 here. So that ends up with 158, 160, 166. Okay? So that was fairly easy to figure out, right? Decoding the other way is a little bit more difficult. 62, base 10, 2, question mark, base 2. So remember, we have 8 possible slots. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know this is 64 down here, and we know that's bigger than our number. So what that means is we have a 0 here and a 0 here. Now we can also figure out the 1's place. So because we have an even number, we know we don't need 1. So that's going to be 0. So now we just work our way back. So now it actually becomes pretty simple, because we know this end place, and we actually don't have to do that right away. The reason why I said I know is because this is telling you whether it's an even or odd number, basically. However, we can actually just work our way back to get there. But now we know that this is 32, so I'll write in the rest of the places here. 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, and up here, just for completion's sake, it's 128. So we know we're going to need a 32. So now we have 32. So what happens if we add 16 to that? If we add 16 to 32, we get 48. 48 is not bigger than 62, so we want 16. So now we add the 16. So if we add 8 to 48, we get 56. 56 is not bigger than 62, so we take this as well. So plus 8. So now we're up to what? 48 plus 8 is 56. 56 plus 4 is 60. So we do know we want that. So we do want that. And 60 plus 2 is 62. So we want that. In general, I think it's relatively easy. I think people just get scared off by the 1s and 0s. It looks like a foreign language. And in a lot of ways it is. But that's about all I have today. In the third part of What is Binary, we're going to talk about how to add and subtract binary numbers. It's not that difficult, there's just a couple quirks, and we actually showed that a little bit in this video. But we're going to talk about that, and we're also going to show how ASCII, the thing I showed in the first episode, actually works. So, with that, that's about all I have for today, guys, and I will see you tomorrow with a regular vlog.